Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we use scale command in AutoCAD. To use scale command in AutoCAD, first I have inserted one image, and here I have drawn one layout. So to insert to use scale command, what you have to do is you have to first take the I'll take, in my case I'll take this ridge from here. I'll take this point, and move here on this ridge. As you can see here, it is not like completely scaled as per the drawn layout. To scale this, what I will do is I'll just select the image, and I'll write SC. Here you can see scale. I'll click here. I'll select the object like this. I'll click the base point. I have taken this as a base point, and I'll write R. Enter. Here I will give the reference of the image, and here like this, and then I'll write P. Enter. P for points, and I'll give the points here till here. As you can see, now my image is scaled. So this is the way you can scale any image or scale the layout or any object in AutoCAD. So I hope you find this video useful. So take care.